Hi, I'm Paul Psolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and IvyMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 7th question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2. This is from the easier set of math questions. Number 7 reads, for a training program, Juan rides his bike an average of 5.7 minutes per mile. Which function M models the number of minutes it will take Juan to ride X miles at this rate? So one thing you can do, if you don't just look at this and know what's going on, just pick a value for X. Let's say X equals 1. And then you could work through it and be like, hey, if he rides his bike at 5.7 minutes per mile, and we need to know how long it's going to take him to read, now in place of X, you're going to read 1 mile. What's the number of minutes it's going to take Juan to ride 1 mile? So 1 mile, it's going to take him 5.7 minutes. So then your M of X equals 5.7. So, and I plug, in the answer choice I see X. So my X is 1. I'm going to plug 1 in place of every X and see what gives me that same 5.7. And here I get 1 over 5.7, that's gone. Here I get 6.7, that's gone. Here I get negative 4.7, that's gone. Here I get 5.7. D is my answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who does not know that you can pick numbers in this circumstance. Now you've got to pick it out and then you've got to apply it. Whenever there's variables in the answer choices, picking numbers is an option. You pick a number, answer on your own, plug that same number you picked into each answer choice, see what gives you the same answer, as we got 5.7 in this case. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out 1 minute video on TikTok. By the way, also, when you see the word per, that's an indication of slope. So right here it says 5.7 minutes per mile. So you can expect the 5.7 to be stuck to the X, and it is an answer choice D. Have a great day.